Hello viewer, today I'm going to show you my new method machine. I call this machine manual nylon cutting and sealing machine. Well, I have my model here. You can see I've got my sketch here and actually put it in place. And if you can come close, please, camera. This is a table. This one was done by my carpenter with a friend, and what I need to integrate is my heating element. You see this is a heating element. This is going to provide the excessive heat for cutting the nylon. And I've already linked the heating element. This is what to be placed here, but you can see here, please the camera come close. You see I've linked the heating element on this, and this will be able to cut the nylon. And here I have my wire. I have my wires in place, my pliers, and my soldering iron, and my cutting tool. Nice, my cutting tool. So here you see this is a stabilizer, but not the stabilizer you know. But this is a customized, re-engineered. So as you can see, this stabilizer, it's not a common stabilizer you know. This is a customized and re-engineered stabilizer. This stabilizer has a very strong transformer that generates a very high power electricity that will enhance and power this heating element. This heating element to discharge enough heat to cut the nylon and seal the nylon. But in the long run, I'll be showing you how this machine going to work. But what I just need is to put those wires together, link it to the stabilizer, link this to electricity, and we are good to go. As you can see, we have already our cycle nylon, and at the end of this tutorial, I am going to come out with this machine cutting this nylon in pieces to form the little nylon you know in the street. To prepare akpu, little seed akpu. In Nigeria we call it akpu fufu, and bread nylon. Those things to cover like bread. From it you can manufacture this from it. Then the nylon used in selling sugar and so many other things that you know like nylon can be done. This machine will be able to do it. I'll be taking you through on the connectivity, and you see how this is done. Okay, this session I'm going to show you how I'm going to connect this to this customized stabilizer, high voltage distributor machine input in this place. So I'm going to link this one to this, and here to this. As you can see, I am going to show you all. First of all, you need to mind your positive and negative, but it doesn't really matter. But I've already done here negative, and here the positive. So let me start with the positive side. So all you got to do is to wind the wire around the iron. You need to be careful so you will not get injured. This. Then you just need to just wind it. Now you are going to go. Then you are going to do this wire. The band is very stubborn. Just have to be careful with them. I put them off easily. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to link the positive side. This section, you can see, go do the same too. Yeah. Do the same. Okay. Make sure you use your plier. So make it tie. Great. Now you're good to go. And this, as you can see, this will be linked to this place. It's a very thick wire. So I've linked the positive to the negative, and the positive here to the positive here. But now you can't leave it this way. You need to bind it together side to avoid bridging and shocking. So you just have to protect it with this tape masking to avoid shock. As you can see, I'm doing this very well. This is set it again to the second side. Side they don't have contact with each other. Yeah. Now this is good to go, and this is good to go, and this will be going to our power outlet. I'm going to sharpen this in and link to electricity, and I put our machine to test run and see let's see how it going to work, and how we're going to cut nylon and how we're going to seal nylon with this inverted machine. Has been put in place and all has been connected. We are going to show you now how this element will cut this nylon and form it to a deliverable package nylon that will be used for business. So we're going to show you now. As you can see, this element will divide it into pieces. You copy that. It's divided into pieces. Okay, see how it works. That's cool. Fast machine. Yeah. Continue.